This is going to blow your mind. In this video, we'll take you on a breathtaking journey through Iceland, a photographer's dreamland. Just the name conjures up images of otherworldly beauty. For photographers, it's a dream come true. It's a land of stark contrasts where fire meets ice and where the light puts on a show like nowhere else. Imagine capturing the northern lights dancing across the sky, or a glacier lagoon shimmering under the midnight sun. Every turn in Iceland offers a new and exciting composition. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, Iceland will ignite your creativity. Get ready to fill your memory cards with unforgettable images. I bet you didn't know how diverse Iceland's landscapes are. Volcanoes rise from vast lava fields while glaciers carve their way through rugged mountains. Waterfalls cascade down cliffs, creating a symphony of sound and movement. The sheer variety is astonishing. One day you can photograph the powerful geysers of Geysir. The next, you're dwarfed by the immense power of Dettifoss, Europe's most powerful waterfall. And then there are the glaciers. Vatnajökull, the largest in Europe, is a photographer's playground. Explore ice caves, capture the blue hues of glacial lagoons, and witness the raw power of nature. What's something people don't know about Iceland? The light in Iceland is magical. Long summer days give way to dark winters illuminated by the northern lights. Each season paints the landscape in a different light, offering endless photographic opportunities. In summer, the midnight sun bathes the land in a golden glow. It creates long shadows and allows you to shoot throughout the night. Capture the lupines blooming in vibrant purple hues under the endless daylight. Winter brings its own magic. The northern lights dance across the sky, painting it with vibrant greens, pinks and purples. Snow-covered landscapes offer a sense of peace and tranquility. What's something people don't know about Icelandic culture? It's as captivating as its landscapes. Friendly locals, charming villages, and colourful houses add a human touch to your photographs. Visit a traditional turf house, a testament to Iceland's resilience and resourcefulness. Capture the spirit of the Icelandic horse, a breed known for its strength and beauty. Attend a local festival and immerse yourself in the vibrant culture. Music, dance, and storytelling are deeply ingrained in Icelandic traditions. These experiences will enrich your understanding of the country and add depth to your photography. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content.